everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your CCS device activation code within Kidsoft. The CCS device activation code will automatically expire every 6 months. Kidsoft will display an automatic reminder 2 weeks prior to this expiry. Once the CCS device expires, the service will receive a notification on their home screen advising the CCS device has now expired. If the CCS device is expired, you will not be able to complete any CCS actions within your database. To update the CCS device activation code, you will need to ensure that you will have at least provider management user role or the user role access of account management. You need to switch your application mode from service to enterprise. Click on administration and click on groups. You're then going to click on your group name, which is your provider approval. You're then going to click on the provider approval tab and click on the provider information. This will take you straight to the details tab of the provider approval. Before you can update this detail in Kidsoft, you will need to log in to your Proda and complete one of two actions. You have the ability to extend the current device for an additional 6 months. If you choose this option and coming into the provider approval details, you can simply click manually refresh device key and click save. This will automatically update your device expiry for the new 6-month period. So please note, when you go into Proda and extend, you will still need to come into Kidsoft and complete this step. If you do not extend the device or the device has actually expired, you will need to complete step 2 in Proda. You would either need to obtain a new expiry for your current device, or you need to create a new device to obtain a new expiry. If you have got a new expiry for the existing device, you do not change the device name. All you need to do is come in and enter in the new activation code and click save. You do not need to update any other detail. If you have created a new B2B device, you need to ensure the device name is updated to the new B2B device, and then you can come in and enter in the new activation code. Once you've completed those 2 steps, you can then click save. You will then see the new updated device expiry date. For further information on how to enter in your CCS device activation code, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.